This year, Richard and I plan to work on our backyard. We have almost a half an acre and we've not been doing much with it, but we hope that'll change. Vertical garden structures serve as the backbone of the garden, providing essential support for plants to grow upward or outward rather than sprawling all along the ground. Much easier to maintain. By leveraging vertical garden space, gardeners can maximize limited areas, creating living art pieces or add lush greenery to walls, fences, and other upright surfaces. Trellises are one of the most common and versatile vertical garden supports you can have. These aren't exactly trellises, but they work on the same principle. Made from wood, metal, or plastic, these grid-like frameworks are ideal for climbing plants like vines, beans, or flowering species such as clematis and roses. Living walls, also known as green walls, are vertical installations that host pockets or modules of plants, often with integrated irrigation systems. They are perfect for urban settings where they can transform dull walls into vibrant ecosystems. Modular systems consist of prefabricated panels, pockets, or containers that can be easily attached to walls or freestanding frames. These are ideal for beginners or those who want a customizable option. Always get your kids involved, or grandkids if you can. They love it. Larger structures not only support plants but also create shaded areas and architectural interest in gardens, perfect for robust climbers like wisteria or grapes. Key considerations would be to build with durable materials like cedar, teak, or metal for longevity. Consider the height and width needed to accommodate full-grown plants. Netting and wire mesh are lightweight and inexpensive. They are excellent for vegetables like peas or cucumbers. They're also easy to set up in temporary or seasonal gardens. Netting is a good way to keep away pests from your garden. Birds and bugs will stay away if you use netting with them. Key considerations: use stainless steel or galvanized wire to prevent rust, and secure the netting tightly to prevent sagging under the plant weight and to keep pests at bay. Understanding vertical garden structures transforms the way we think about gardening. These structures are not just supports, they're canvases for creativity and tools for innovation. Whether you're growing tomatoes on a trellis, herbs in a modular system, or a lush living wall, the right structures can elevate your garden from functional to breathtaking. Embrace the possibilities and watch as your vertical garden not only thrives but becomes a statement of beauty and sustainability. To learn more about vertical gardening, get the book Vertical Gardening. It gives you lots of information about the different types of vertical gardening you can do, along with the types of plants that work best with the types of garden structures. I've written this book. I did a lot of research. I hope you enjoy it. It has much more information and details about what plants do best in what types of gardens. Thanks for watching. Hope to see you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe to our channel and check out our other videos. It really helps us out.